Alright, question number 24. PQR are the root of this polynomial, okay, equation, okay. And also we have this one, okay, this is given, okay. 1 over this one equal to this one, partial fraction, right? Partial fraction. When you take the denominator, this is the same thing, right? Just instead of x, we use the s, okay, because why? PQR, the root of this one, maybe you can denominator switch to this one, s minus p, s minus q, s minus r, okay? Yeah, it's the same things. Okay, now take a look, right hand side, also common denominator is the same thing, isn't it? It's the same thing, right? SP, SQ, SR. Now take a look, compare, right, the numerator, okay? What is numerator over here? Number 1 equals number 1, so a times the other 2, right? SQ times S minus R, okay? So a times S minus Q, S minus R, okay? Second one, what about B? We multiply these two, right? Okay, so plus B times S minus P, S minus R, okay? And plus C times S minus P times S minus Q. That's right? They are equal, right? Still, they have a common denominator, okay? They are equal, isn't it? They are what? S minus P, S minus Q, S minus R, okay? Now I'm going to delete this one. We don't need a denominator, okay? Just compare numerator. Okay, because this equation is identical, right? For any value over s, they are always equal, okay? Especially if s is p, okay? We tried it. If s is p, this is 0, this is 0, right? So you got this one. 1 equals a times p minus q, p minus r, right? Okay. Now delete this one. What happened? If s is q, s is q, this will be 0, right? Q minus q is 0, right? So, and also q minus q is 0 over here, okay? So we got this one. 1 equals b times q minus p, q minus r, right? Okay. Now delete this one. Now the next one. If s is r, 1 equals c, okay? R is this is 0, you got the r over here, right? This is 0, okay? C equals what is the r minus p, r minus q, right? So I'm going to expand this one. This is also a 1 over a, right? So 1 over a equals how much? 1 over a equals, this will move over here. You got to p minus q, p minus r, okay? So I'm going to expand this one. P times p is p square, p times r is what? PR, q times p is what? Minus pq, right? Alphabet word, okay? Hold on. So the next one, minus q minus r is what? Plus qr, right? Plus qr. Second one, b divided by b over here, okay? 1 over b equals how much? Q times q, q square. Okay, the next is what? QR, isn't it? Minus QR. The next one, minus PQ. And plus PR, right? Okay. What about 1 over C? If this is C over here. R times R is equals R square minus R times Q. I'm going to use, okay, QR. Okay. The next one, minus PR, right? Okay, minus PR. Last one is P times Q is what? PQ, okay? Now let's add all this one. Okay. When you add this one, 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C equals P square, Q square, plus R square, right? Okay, we have some common factor here, right? So this is out, minus PR, PR is out. QR is out. PQ is out. We just got this one. Negative PQ, negative QR, negative PR, right? Okay. So I'm gonna put on branches, okay, minus. So PQ plus QR plus PR, right? Or RP, okay? That's it. So what is this one? What is this first one? I'm gonna try this one. This is what it is. P plus Q plus R square minus 2 times PQ QR RP over PR, right? It's the same thing, isn't it? That's right. Okay. So we have one more over here, okay? We have one more of this one. So actually, 1 over A plus 1 over B, 1 over C is that equals, I'm gonna write down 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C equals P plus Q plus R square minus 3 times PQ QR PR, right? Okay, what is sum of this root? P plus Q plus R. Okay, what is that? Negative B over 1, right? So P plus Q plus R is what? 22, isn't it? So that is 22 square. Now sum of which the root, a product of two root, okay? What is that? Use, right? This one. 80 over 1, isn't it? 80 over 1, that's the 80. That is Beta's formula, right? Do you remember? Beta's formula. AX cube BX square CX plus D equals 0, okay? So you have a 3 root. Okay, so P plus R plus P plus Q plus R. Sum of root is what? Negative B over A. It's okay. The sum of its product PQ QR RP equals C over A. It's okay. Now the product of the root PQR is what? Negative D over A. This is Beta's formula, okay? You have to memorize this one. So this one is actually equals to how much? 22 square is 484, right? 484 and minus 240, yeah, which will be 244, right? That's the answer, okay? Can you see that answer? 244 here, okay? All right.